Hey guys, it's Curry Gaming, and as you can see, I'm back in Florida at the summer house I'm staying at. Today I just went to the Target that the house is by, and I found Hissy Fit. This is a really cool looking monster truck. The design looks pretty sick. We're gonna check it out. But first, let's take a look at the back. 5-alarm, I already have that. Hissy Fit is what, of course, I'm reviewing. Local Punk Toxic, I'm still on the hunt for that. Podium Crasher, I'm looking for that. Necessary Roughness, I made a review on. And Bone Shaker, I have. I don't have my tripod with me. I left it at home, so I'm gonna do the best of my ability to get this open. Alright, here's Hissy Fit out of the package. Looks really cool. Check out those yellow rims. It's got a chrome base, turquoise chassis. Here's the side here. It's a split paint job, which is pretty cool. This is the skeleton of the Cobra. It says Hissy Fit Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo. Here's the hood. It's a double-faced snake. Pretty sick. Look at the flames there. Got flames again. Split paint job on the tail. Hissy Fit Hot Wheels logo. Here's Hissy Fit logo. The skin on the background. The actual snake. Man, this thing looks sick. Hissy Fit on the tailgate. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this is a pretty cool truck. Yeah, I'm really glad to have it. Oh, and there's the crush car, by the way. I mean, I've shown that multiple times when I've reviewed these. I don't think everybody cares about the accessory no more. Yeah, so that's the newest truck I've gotten today, Hissy Fit. And yeah, pretty cool find. Yeah, and if you guys are looking into getting this truck, I highly recommend it because this thing looks awesome. So yeah, alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos here while I'm in Florida. Alright guys, bye.